Lesson number 26. Reading pictures. Hello friends. Have you gone in a market with your mother and father? There are lots of vegetables, fruits and plenty of food. We are also going to see a market. What is there? Who's there? We'll observe who is doing what. So, let's see the picture of market. The picture looks very nice. Let's see who are doing what in this picture. See this grandma. She is selling fruits sitting on the ground. In her basket, there are fruits of pineapple, fig and guava. Just behind this uncle. Uncle has a hand cart to keep fruits and other items. So they are standing and buying fruits. They have apple and banana fruits on their hand cart. Now, look at this auntie selling veggies on her hand cart. She has cabbage and tomatoes in her cart. These babas are selling vegetables. They have two baskets like big to peel. What vegetables do they have? Brinjal, lemon and spinach. Also leafy vegetables. They are trying to call that auntie for buying or taking vegetables. Now, let's go to this auntie. They also have a hand cart. She has potatoes and garlic. And see this? She has a scale for weight of potatoes and garlic to consumers. Perhaps this uncle has finished their shopping of vegetables and fruits. So, it looks like he is ready to go home. Now look here. There are two vegetable sellers. They also have hand carts to hold vegetables. This uncle has full cart of ladies' finger. As much as they want, weighing. The ladies' finger filling in their clothes bag. Now, this is your favorite food and toy shop. Two girls and three boys are in front of this shop. They are all asking the shopkeeper for food and toy. Let's look what you are observing. In this picture, there are 4 vegetable carts for the sale of vegetables. One grandmother and one uncle are selling fruits. In the market, apples and bananas, pineapples, figs and guavas are kept to sell various fruits. Cucumber, carrot, lady's finger, brinjals, methi is various vegetables in the market. There are 3 people who have bought cloth bag. Have fun in walking around the market. Children always remember that to use the cloth bag to bring vegetables, fruits, luggage of the vegetables in the market or shop. Always eat fresh and clean vegetables. Eating fruit veggies and leafy veggies helps the body to be very strong. Now, you also go to the market with your parents and observe what you see.